No, today we are making a strange stream, yeah. Warzone in Fortnite? Okay. Okay. If we had these in 2004, 2005, now we had what? 7K viewers and we were virtual. Something like that. Because on that date, we were in the top 25 of the world and we are playing the best Trackmania and those fucking. I work with almost 200 people in my work, and then I'm in the warehouse. I'm one of the best guys there, so I'm used to talk with everybody. And sometimes you go is really fun, like Maniac is saying, because we see everybody that we don't know. But the thing here is that Maniac, you are streaming for how much time? Make some memes with everybody, but I'm like in a boss situation. Not a boss, but like a leader. So I'm used to talk with every kind of brain that works with me, with young guys, old guys, everybody that it stops on our stream will stop and it will stay. I bet we do that. Ask for Noah there. Of course not, MK. We were just talking with the girl, and when it reached 3:30 in the morning, Portugal's time, a little bit more, but imagine we are resting, and when you make Monday and Tuesday of rest, I miss something, the stream. But the next day, you'll make a stream and you say, "Hey, one of you guys want to try to make a stream. You want to try? We'll give you 30 minutes." Oh, I don't think that the Superbox will Maniac when we will see a Maniac stream. You make the stream at the same hours like me. I don't care. Your viewers are different than mine because we are here for the chill, we are here for the entertainment. Your viewers are, oh my god, he's going to beat the world record. Let's see them. Yeah, that was a meme, man. Yeah, M King, go for that, buddy. So I can adapt to everybody. So that's one of the things that I think we can make and we are making this community that is have what almost 2 years. You want to stream? Let's fucking go. I'm king. I'm king. Let me see. If you stream and you play Trackmania, if the guys know you, they will come to your stream, and if you are making something wrong, they will say to you. But I know that you are a really good player, so they don't say that you are making something wrong. Marcel and Noah and Mania and King, that's the main thing. It's our work, man. It's like a work. We have to. We ha- I need to have a schedule, and I I really enjoy to be here with all of you guys. So it's not a schedule, but sometimes it's just trying, man. It's not for the money. It's not for nothing. Okay, read the link. You can. Oh, you have 171 followers, you bastard. Now you have 170. Yeah, maniac. One day, what? 1 year ago, I go to see one girl that makes you anybody on your stream. If you see one more person, you just say, "Oh, we have one more viewer. Where are you, man? We need a follow here." And the guy just push the follow button. Okay, so where are you from? What you do? Hey, Steam, do you play the game? Push. You have to push the guys, man. If you are really silent, one guy came and one guy go. One guy came and one guy go. You are talking even if you don't have viewers. Everyone, $20. Yeah, I I had an issue with my camera, so I buy a. Yeah, yeah, pissing you off. But yes, Mr. M King and Mr. Chisholms, if you want to stream, try it. Had no streams 1 year ago, and we had to go. How can? Why can't I give you a follow straight here? Can open your channel. Okay. When you stream, just show up on the Discord and show that we have. So that's the best thing. Okay, we are ugly as fuck. You guys are always ugly as fuck. Okay, I can't stand to be a camera pointed to me. No. After 2 days, you don't see the camera and you don't see your actions. Bastards, we have one hell of a team in Portugal. That was one team made by me. And it was really cool, man. Okay. 1 month and a week? Okay. I have 2 years and a half, and sometimes it's hard to come here and make a stream. Right? Manic start his stream, he blows everything because what? He's going for the world records, man. Are you going for a world record? Try that. You can have luck. I'm just here for the chill, man. I'm just here for the chill players. Uh, yeah, that's cool, Chisms. And you will see a really Dreyfus after you stream or not streaming. Because that is giving something. But the main thing here is that sometimes we need to get social life and we can't get it. We can't get it, man. It's really hard. Yeah. Marcel makes this. Yeah, let's see. Chisms. Let's make a follow on Chisms. Oh, fuck. Why can't we follow This is broken, guys. I can't follow Chisms. Chisms, put there your link on the stream. To break our records today, we had 7 guys. Man, push. Just push, man. Don't be sad if you don't have viewers because they will start to come. They will start to know you. They will come just for. And what the fuck? There's one guy there that he says, okay, I'm mapping, but what do I do? And he comes here and I say, okay, look at him, King. He has more than 100 views making the map. Go and make that. I always saying, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that. Give me do that, give me do that, give me do that. Sometimes you hear, sometimes you don't. That's one of the things that I miss here, that we don't hear, you don't see that. But yes, you wouldn't stream because you don't think your gameplay. What about my gameplay, the Chisms? What do you think? Yeah, Maniac, that's the main thing. Right now I'm resting. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's something different, man. Every time we will have our Kimi crew support you every time there. The 24 hours work? No, no. Yeah, we can stay on the Discord and everything. I will start a stream and we just stop. Yeah, Maniac, we forced you, man. But yes, you need that. And when you see, it's really good to be here. We're here for the chill, man. We're here making memes every day, making memes in the matchmaking, making memes in the arcade, making memes. We are just here for the content, man. And the chisms, you can go for the world records at least in the white maps after 24 hours. The last time that I made that, it was on my first anniversary of stream. But we make 12 hours, then we stopped 2 hours to lunch because we had the work lunch that day. Then we started again and we make no start to come to our stream and we are just talking and talking and talking and talking and talking. And I will say, oh, you make some good drifts. Did you play the game? Yeah, we played the game 10 to 20, 15 years. I was a first time winner of the Kimi of the Week. That bastard. That fucking bastard. Remember, guys, the game is all washed, but the guys who came here and the guys who play the game are not that washed. So 3:30 a.m. and okay. Okay, Jason. We are cool with that. Don't bother with that. What about me? Chisms. Cosmaniac has a blast of views because what the fuck is number one? But start, man. Yeah, the RMT is really cool, but we always get those tracks that will be hard, man. Chisms, so done. We'll be on vacations, and all the guys are claiming that, and so we will make a 24-hour stream for the second time here on this stream. 24-hour stream. Last day that we make that. Oh, Marcel is live. So give it. So let's give it, you a follow. And just put a title there. Going for that world record on the track that you want to go, and you will have viewers. 24, 12 hours again. You don't have a reason to stream. Something what? Oh, setup. Okay. Yeah, Cagney wins the Kimi of the week. I don't know if you know that guy too. I can have. I'm 46, man. I can have that reflexes that you guys have. That you are younger. We came here. We got tired for the work. We are streaming in the time that all the Portuguese population is sleeping almost. Okay, guys. So Marcel is making a stream. I will give him maybe a ride, but he has viewers, and yeah, M King. That's what we were saying. We are here for the chill, and we are here for the community. Manic is therefore being the first guy and beating the world record. If you are new and if you don't know, we have to go after dinner and we have to go to make stream. But every time that we start the stream, it's something else, man. It's really something that we appreciated, and we show that us. You turn on the Twitch. Let me see who is playing, and you see number one of the arcade of the campaign, trying to beat the world record. Of course, he will go for Maniac. Yeah. Okay. So, Chisms, I will not make you a ride because Marcel is live, but Marcel, Chisms will start to make streams. We have to make some rides on Chisms. But Chisms, if you are in the Kimi crew, you are cool with us, man. No, I was not saying that we want you to stream so bad. We were just saying that if you want to stream, just go for it. Chisms. That's the main thing. Try that. Try a lot, guys. If you want. Oh, I thought on this stream it's easy. Yeah, but no. $20, man. Cheapest part of all the streaming is the camera. T-shirt 1 month ago. My the guy who makes this T-shirt is not making that. No, I'm not forcing myself, man. I'm not forcing myself. Sometimes you don't have sometimes you are, every time that you turn on the stream, it's really cool. But it's not to be, you don't need to be funny. You don't need to be the best player of the world. You just need to make your content, man. Try that. Go for it. If you can, go for it, man. Don't care about it because the viewers will start to care. We make streams to 10 viewers, 15, 20, 30. But we were what, 6 months with 2, 3 guys, 4 guys, 6 guys, and we said okay, we streams here from my hometown that I didn't know, but I had a common friend that knows us. So he says, okay, I will show you to this girl who makes a streams that he has 2K and a half friend follow. You guys can't. Stream camera on. Yeah. Maniac. That is fun. Guys, you are making the map, so why don't you stream making the map and ask somebody to give me a call on this? What do I do here? Do I put grass? Do I put dirt? Do I put a hard turn? Do I put the turbo there and the jump? Whatever. You have seasons. It's all about having a schedule and make your own thing, man. Look, like we said, I'm 46, man. You guys are all young. You have all the opportunities. $30. It's you can make a 4K. 4K. It can be not a 4K. Fuck. The best. Come on, option. This is all of the world. I'm a little bit older, but yes, we tried our luck 2 years ago. We make a huge community. Thankfully, thanks to Marcel, that helps really. So, Marcel makes everything here. As always, what if you stream tonight? I will raid you, Chisms. And you can go, it Chisms. Of course, man. This is all I'm used to. In the work, I had almost the boss leadership in the work here is 2.5 years, and we are sleeping every day 5 hours, except today that we sleep 12 or 15 or 18 hours. It happens because we came here really tired at Fridays. But yes, sometimes you say, okay, that guy is just chilling there, is making a stream. Sometimes he gets money, sometimes he doesn't get it. We don't care about that, but that's something that we really appreciate. The all the community. I bet you. I bet with you that we will have you. 9 followers. Oh fuck! Now you have 10 followers. Let's go, Chisms. How much time are you streaming? One and give us talk to 30 minutes. Yeah, today we just stop playing the game because yes, it's a Friday. We had the Gimme of the Week. Had a new winner that nobody knows. It was Cagney. You watch you want to stream? Chisholm, so go for that, man. And one advice, guys. Maniac can do that, but camera on, because you know why? You never stream with a cam. You don't have a cam. It's $20. Cheapest cam. No, my word. Body follows you, and easy, easy. If you want, Marcel had an idea, and we follow Marcel with that. We want a 24-hour stream with the Kimi guys. Yeah. If you talk like that, like Manic says, nobody have viewers, man. And when you see you have so many supporters, that is really streams to stick. Sometimes we mix in. Oh, hello, mustard. Yeah, that's sometimes it's really hard to. We want to stay a little bit more and okay, no, the content. Like we have Noah, we have Maniac. What the fuck, man? Talking alone is depressing, but you don't talk, you don't. Of the night, every stream of Noah, that was really something. And if you don't have a viewer, when King Maniac is trying to beat the world record, so he can't have camera off. But the guys who are not going for the world record, and if you want to conquer viewers, put the camera on. You can go for the Kimi crew. You can go for our fuck. With our Discord, you can put there the stream promo for everybody. Not I lost just you bastard. So I'm king. Oh fuck. I'm a little bit fucked today, let's see. So go for that, man. I know that my stream is good, but it's good because we have Marcel, we have Stig, we have everybody here. I know you, but and King, start your stream making maps and give people something that they say, okay, give me a call. What do I do on this part of the map? Start, man. Go for it. Bastard. Asval, I know because I know that you came back because you are starting to see me making memes and you said, okay, I can beat that Kimi guy, you bastard. I will go for you. And then, what are you seeing? You were not streaming. We will push you to stream. The selling stick makes everything here, but with my base, I think we make a. My stream is not the best, I know, but try a luck, man. Was and okay, she's a big streamer for me. Okay, I had what 200, 300 followers, and we just meet with her on a Saturday night. We drink some beers, and it was what 24 hours of all the Kimi guys that can stream making a stream to make a 24 hours Kimi stream. But in about 1 month, we'll be on vacations. That's it's hard after 2 and something years to sleep 5 hours a day, working, girlfriend, stream, everything. It's really hard. In the camera video option. So, guys, the main thing is because you have the camera on, everybody knows your reactions, everybody sees your reactions. So I have guys that are mapping that have 100 viewers. Okay, they are good mappers, but if you start right now, in about 1 year, you can be one of those guys who have 100 guys seeing a mapper and giving them calls. Chisms, it's not about being interesting, man. It's just about to be there. Just started, you bastard. We said to the girl, okay, it's done for today. I don't drink more. I will just make a drunk stream because I was really drunk. And she said, "You are streaming right now?" Okay, no, I will stream in a half an hour. So we started that stream at 4 a.m. 22. Now we had a power. Yeah, but what do you stream before that? 5 to 6 years ago. Hello, Mr. Noah. Of course you are late, you bastard. You are upside down. The Australians are always with their heads down. Those bastards. Portuguese time. And it was really crazy because we started the stream and everybody showed up because we were not about to stream that day. Years ago. Oh, okay. Let me stay with you. Here we go. 2 years ago. Noah doesn't play. He's a bitch. He is upside down. He doesn't think. I don't know what he's thinking about, but yeah, Maniac was saying that he was streaming one time in 2024, but when he started, yeah. Okay, I started. We have dusk after dark. That's ahead of me. On that way, we had Marcel stream, Koya stream, Bell stream. You can make a 20 this is a 4K. This can be a 4K quality, but I put it 1K, something like that, 128, some or one. The best, the HD, full HD. So yeah, cool with that. The main thing that I was saying that go, go, try your luck, man. You can be really a good player. You are a really good player. So I think everybody can see you and give you a call or see a call of you. Oh my god. You want to be in somebody's place and you have to say, okay, no, I can't go because I have to stream. And I came and I make the stream, but when I start the stream, it's really everything is cool. The thing